Hello and welcome back to the Innovator Channel, and we've got a really cute little hack for you today, all to do with thermoplastic, my favourite substance in the whole wide world. And all we're going to do is we're going to turn ordinary piece of thermoplastic into different colours, and we're going to do it free stroke really cheaply. Now, anyone who has anything to do with thermoplastic, polymorph, etc. knows they do kits where you get the product, use a little bag, and there's another little packet that's black, red, yellow crystals. But we don't want to do that. We want to save some money. So what we're going to use is Sharpies, magic markers, day glow pens. Obviously the results differ depending on how rich the colour is, but I think this has gone pretty good. So the idea is you've got a project and you want it to be a different colour. Now probably we say the black, probably a repair, something like that. Maybe not, but probably a repair I would suggest. Maybe you're going to use white. You don't colour it white, white's a good one. Maybe you want to paint over it, you want a natural colour, so that's as it stands. And then if you're doing crafts, but maybe it's repair a toy, maybe it's a certain tool, you might want to have a basic colour, then maybe coat over it or try and build the colour up. Anyway, idea is dead simple. You take an amount of your thermoplastic. Now this is just an example, I've just did basically. You heat it up and you make it into a spreadable area, and you do that, make it a spreadable area, and then you take your colour, in this case we did it with pink, you colour all over it, obviously the bigger it is, but it's easy peasy. Now obviously the bigger it is, you might have to do a few applications, so you apply, heat, there's the heat gun there, or you use hot water, etc. Probably best not if you're going to use markers. They shouldn't mind, but you know what I mean, probably best not to. Heat source, melt it, move it around like plasticine, blue tack, these two-part epoxies. Move it around, get that colour into it, spread it out again, pop it down. When it's dry, which is only going to take 5-10 minutes, keep applying. And depending on, as I say, depending on how rich the colour is. Now that's got a really nice kind of a rose pink colour, and that was 2 applications. If you had a little knob or something, that's great. I think that's a really lovely colour. All right, it came from that, and you could build it up. I think that's really good. But this one, this is with the black. Got a couple of good brands. This is Staedtler, well-known brand worldwide. This is Sharpie, everybody knows Sharpie. Same sort of thing, made a disc, painted it on. Didn't even need to really do both sides, but coloured it, and you can see that. That is really rich. That is super black. Now that's 2 applications just for you guys to see how good it picks up the colour, because there's no colour apart from this, which is the natural colour. There's no colour in that. That's just the natural shade. There's no colour in it. So of course, if you put something like that in it, any other thing, it just picks up that colour. It doesn't blend it and change it. Now this is just an item I made a while ago, and I knew it was going to do this. I didn't fold it to make it a solid colour. I wanted a marble effect. So you can see, if you play around with this, it's great. Super cheap. I did it with the black pen that's just there. I spread out quite a big bit of the material, let it go cold, and in this case I just kind of did it roughly on one side. Then I heated it up, squished it around, and essentially the first time really it made this really nice marble effect, which you could see that could be very handy. It's very cheap. I'm not going to go on, I'm not going to show you how to do it, because heat source, melt it, colour it, do it again until you get what you want, and then make your project out of it, or your repair. Simple as that. And this is the Innovator signing off till next time.